leaders of this world keep trying to make this world a better place for living. Still they just can't understand how it's so hard to do. I guess the system is just not working, cause there's too much easy man squeezing. Why won't they try something new? Whoa.
Yes, it's time we understand, Lord. Together we can build a better land. Oh yeah, I said each man is our brother and each man is our friend, and so we must spread some love around. What we need is love. All we need is love. What we need is love. All we need is love. Oh, I hear voices calling, and it really hurt my feelings. Lonely teardrops keep on falling. Yes, it's time to realize we need to come together. We gotta live and let another live.
Whoa. Yes, it's time we understand. Yeah. Together we can build a better land. I say each man is a brother and each man is a friend. We should spread some love around.
What we need is love.
All we need is love.
All we need is love.
Yeah.
What we need is love.
What we need is love.
All we need is
So it's all about the Grand Customer Appreciation Day happening right here, Nuts and Accessories. And we got the man, Mr. Black, from Bearings and Accessories on the ground, giving you all the information you need to know about your vehicle's lubricants. And for the welders in the community, you know, want to understand the difference in the different welding rod them, you need to stop by Nuts and Accessories today. Get some information, get some product demonstration. It's all about the Grand Customer Appreciation. And also Nuts have some giveaways on the inside and some deals to be had today. The Grand Customer Appreciation, Nuts and Accessories. Yours truly, DJ Roddy G, there up on the ground, same way. Yeah, man. So we just go and juggle some music, and the people can just stop in, get some information, find out the difference in all the different aisles. Everybody want 10W30, everybody want 5W30. Nobody not understand what the W mean. The man Mr. Black is here to explain all of that to you. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Stop by Nuts and Accessories.
Listen as your day unfolds. Challenge you gotta be calm.
For behold, the man knoweth right and wrong.
Oh Lord,
The man
all
knoweth
I know,
truth.
all I know, love is the dang.
Good Lord, you have answered my prayer from all strains and misery. You have lifted me up, oh, and put me higher from all sins and misery. And born again, ooh, we am free from sins. Oh, am born again. At last, am free from sins. Ooh. Listen, verily, verily, they say, except a man but born of the water, he cannot see the kingdom of God. So they say, if you want to be washed in the spirit and the blood from all sins, believe me, you can be overcome and be born again. Ooh, and be free from sins. Oh Lord, good Lord, and born again. Ooh, baby, and free from sins. Check this.
It's around midnight and I can't get no sleep. The thought of you, baby, keeps me up on my feet. So I walk through the pouring rain, cause I'm in need of your touch. One more lonely night again. Oh girl, I need you so much. I'm so lonely, girl. Lonely for you, lonely for you. I'm so lonely, girl. I don't know what I must do. So here I am, baby. No more, I'm not gonna hide it. My feelings burning for you, my heart's yearning. Don't keep me waiting. Let's touch before the morning. Let's not waste no time. I'm yours, will you be mine? I'm so lonely, girl. Lonely for you, lonely for you. I'm so lonely, girl. I don't know what I must do. I'm so lonely, girl. Lonely for you, lonely for you. I'm so lonely, girl. I don't know what I must do. Show your love, I wanna feel your fire burning. I want you to know that I'm for real, darling. Come on and show your love, I wanna feel your fire burning. I want you to know that I'm for real, darling. I watch you go by every morning. You're like the star of that picture show. Yeah. And as you pass me by in the evening, the feeling tends to overflow. Baby, it's just what I feel inside. I gotta show it, I can't let it hide. Cause you have got this thing, a girl, about you that makes it easy to give in. All you've got to do is show your love. I wanna feel your fire burning. I want you to know that I'm for real, darling.
Let's send a big shout out to the man Sparky Melody.
Show your love.
He's on that Facebook check-in.
Fire burning.
Yes, Sparky, we're up on the outside.
I want you to know that I'm for real, darling.
We're on the outside because it's all about the Grand Customer Appreciation Day happening right here, Nuts and Accessories. Hopewell, Hanover. I'm on the ground, we have the man Mr. Black, you know. Yeah, man, you see the man up on your screen? That's the man Mr. Black, and he's here to tell you all about the lubricants for your vehicle, for all your industrial needs, and all the youth them in the welding. You need to come check out what go on. You need to overstand the different welding rod them. We'll be having product demonstrations. All heap of knowledge we are share today, you know. So make sure you stop by, find out what's going on at Nuts and Accessories. All right, truck driver, them need to get your lubricant in the virgin. Yes, I. Because it's a grand customer appreciation. Big up to my brother, Mr. Keith Cole, on the check-in. Yeah, man, all our Facebook family. Big up the guy themselves. We got you 2020. Where's the Mr. Black? Them calendar I give it today. We have a little freeness I give it today. All courtesy of Bearings and Accessories. You know, they are the authorized distributors for Q8 oils. So make sure you stop on by. Find out the different oil them. Find out at what stage you use what grade oil for your engine. You understand? Everybody thinks that the double stand for weight. We are going to find out if it's true today. What do you need for your vehicle? Is it 10W30? Is it 10W40? Is it 1540? Is it 0? I want a 0 go again. 0W5? Something like that. 0W20. Yeah. You need to check out what go on. Get some information. It's all about the grand customer appreciation happening right here. Nuts and Accessories. And the man there from Bearings and Accessories with all of the information. What you say, family? Alright. Not so far where you just have the conversation with him, saying. But right now it's all about the product demonstrations. Find out how to keep those bearings working well. Do you use grease? Do you use oil? What do you use to make sure say your bearings them now make the noise? The man Mr. Black is here from Bearings and Accessories. He'll give you all the information you need. Grandma look over here and say, why them make so much noise in ice cream so early? We just pass on some information. Yes, a cyclist. Pam Mixcloud. We're there. Hey, lady, pick up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, we're up on the ground and put in some work today.
Show me, baby, oh yeah. Show your love, I wanna feel your fire burn. Overflow, baby. It's just what I feel inside. I gotta show it, I can't let it hide. Cause you have got this thing, a girl about you, that makes it easy to give in. All you've got to do is show your love. I wanna feel your fire burning. I want you to know that I'm for real, darling. Come on and show your love. I wanna feel your fire burning. I want you to know that I'm for real, darling. Why won't you stop pretending? Just let your feelings go. Hey, baby, I know you've got me on your mind, baby. Just let your love light show. Hey, oh yeah. Time after time I keep on wondering, when are you ever gonna start thinking that I'll be there for you? Baby, no, it's true, I'm hooked on you. All you've got to do, whoa, while since I've been trying to get on with you, but you keep on saying you don't know what to do. Don't know much about you, yet you're always on my mind. So all you gotta do is leave it to time. Everything will be fine. Time alone can do anything. Time can move any mountain. Time will make you realize someone's in love with you. Baby, it's true. Oh.
As my heart melts away, could it be that you have the gift to capture my heart and answer my wish? Could it be that you have what it takes for love to survive in your smile?
Don't ever forget where you're coming from. No, don't ever forget those who helped you along your way. Your ego flies high to the sky. Remember what goes around comes around. Everyone needs someone, but it seems you've forgotten. You should never burn your bridges behind you, 'cause you never know what life has in store for you. Always do the good and good will follow, 'cause you never know what happens tomorrow. You've been my father for as long as I can remember. My father, my God, yeah. You've been my father for as long as I can remember. A father till the end. You've been my friend, a friend for all eternity. The closest friend to me, yes. But when the road of life seemed rough and rocky, you were there for me. You keep me strong with your blessings and true with your mercy. You'll always be my father, my friend, my God, my guide. Forever you will be, and I will walk by your side. My father, my friend, my God, my guide. My love for you I'll never hide.
I've lifted mine eyes and I've seen the sign of the times that the Marcus prophesied and not in long time. Oh Lord, with the ignorance of our people has held us captives of our own mind. Can't you see we're running out of time? Let's change our lives, my brothers and sisters, answer the calling of the Father. He is the only one that's willing to save us divine. Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign. I bingy chant right. Mother Nature revealed it, and I do believe it. Yeah. Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign. I bingy chant right. Mother Nature revealed it, and I do believe it. Whoa,
Cause we know we're not gonna get away with the wrongs we continue to display. A scripture from the good book say, according to our works we shall get paid.
shine bright, more bright to reveal it. And I to believe I'll be down by the river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh yeah, I'll be down by the down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. Oh yeah, three singing birds told me by sunrise he's always there in the morning, praying and blessing the day. I've heard about this little tale long time ago, but never had the faith to believe in my soul.